welcome home. So the doors open out. We're on Celebrity Eclipse and the doors open out, which is something different than what we experienced in the past. Here's the bathroom and your temperature control is here. We're gonna open this. Inside, you have a glass door shower. That's the fan. You have a glass door shower, your toilet, there's some lotion, Clinics, soap. He gave us some extra toilet tissue and Clinics, extra towels and everything. I like the design of this faucet, and the bowl here is really nice, as well as the backwash here. And here's some extra storage space behind a glass. It's really pretty. I like the design. Please disregard that towel on the floor. Here you have a full-length mirror. You have a full-length mirror. You have we've been living here a little bit, so try to overlook these things, please. We have a sitting area here. Here you have a safe. You have a safe. Oh, what is this? Okay. So you have a safe. You also have a refrigerator down here. And you have some extra drawers. We never use the drawers, but that's just our preference. We have a full-length closet here. Full-length closet. So a lot of storage space. We were able to put our luggage in there. So we really appreciate this storage space. We love this couch. This is a leather couch. So that's something that we appreciate. And, you know, it's two sides to the closet. So you have a lot of storage space with a lot of hangers. We have a full, like, love seat. It's leather. I love that. Phone in case you need to call your stateroom attendant. We're in Celebrity Eclipse room 8130. They renovated this ship in May of 2025, so it looks like a brand new ship. It is great. It's amazing. Here's a table in case you need it. We love our bed, and he left us some information there. Beautiful artwork here. And we have a veranda. Doug and I, we love a beautiful balcony. So we have the curtains here, but we're going to open it up. And we have a veranda. Now, it's nighttime, so it's dark out here. I don't know how much you're going to be able to see. It may be kind of noisy with the waves. The waves have been very, very noisy this time. So, let's see. Yeah. So, Odette's going to cut off my life. We have two chairs. We have a table. And that's our view. It is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful. Something we enjoy very, very much. All right. So this is the tour of Celebrity Eclipse, stateroom 8130. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.